How to link Fidelity account to PayPal. Follow these steps. Log into your PayPal account. Go to the Wallet section. Click Link a bank. If Fidelity isn't listed, choose any bank, then select Link your bank another way. Enter Fidelity's routing number, 101,205,681. Enter your 17-digit Fidelity account number. Confirm and submit your details. Wait 1 to 3 business days for PayPal's small test deposits to appear in your Fidelity account. Log back into PayPal and enter the exact deposit amounts to verify. Once confirmed, your Fidelity account is linked to PayPal. Thanks for watching.